Ready to level up your Hamster Kombat experience? First, open your Hamster Kombat game. You'll need to be at the main menu now. Look for and tap the Connect Wallet or similar option, which is usually found in either the Settings menu or near your profile. This will begin the connection process. Next, the game will direct you to select which wallet you are using for connecting. Select Telegram wallet from the available options. You will be prompted to authorize the connection between your Hamster Kombat account and your Telegram wallet. After you have selected Telegram wallet, a notification from Hamster Kombat will appear in your Telegram Messenger app. Tap on it to open the notification, then carefully review the connection request. Once you've reviewed the connection request, tap the Approve button. This confirms that the Hamster Kombat game account is now linked to your Telegram wallet. Success! You will receive a confirmation message within the game itself and your Telegram wallet, signaling the successful connection. You can now seamlessly start to transfer your in-game assets and rewards directly to your Telegram wallet. This integration offers easier accessibility and a smoother gaming experience. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Hamster Kombat account to your Telegram wallet. Now go play and earn those rewards.